A new feature has arrived on Google Services for Android, allowing users to share photos and videos quickly via QR codes. If you have a newer Android OS, this should be installed automatically, making it easy to use without additional setup. To try it out, I opened my phone's gallery and selected an image. Then, I tapped the Share button and chose Nearby Share. Depending on your Android version, this step might look slightly different. On some devices, it could be called Quick Share or just Share. Next, I enabled Bluetooth, which is required for this feature to work. Then, I tapped on Use QR Code, and a QR code appeared on the screen. On another phone, I opened the camera app and scanned the QR code. After scanning, a pop-up appeared with the option to Open Link. I tapped it and waited for the transfer to begin. A progress indicator appeared, showing the percentage of the file that had been transferred. After a short wait, the process was complete, and the image was successfully received on the second phone. This method is an excellent alternative to traditional sharing options, especially when devices are not nearby but still need a quick transfer. Quick Share on Samsung devices and Nearby Share on other Android devices are part of the same Google-powered ecosystem, ensuring smooth and fast file transfers between Android smartphones. Try this feature and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.